Hey, are you searching for good quality tandem kayaks? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these tandem kayaks. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then concluded that Tandem Kayaks is the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak. It's not a mistake that Intex appears twice in this guide. Rather, it indicates the quality of the company's products. The Excursion kayak incorporates adjustable footrests, a retractable seat booster, a fishing accessory attachment, and a shallow water directional skeg. Built from durable laminate PVC with a polyester core, it's lightweight and abrasion resistant. This model's high-pressure inflation helps it stay afloat no matter the weather. You can store gear in the front and back of the boat, and D-rings assist secure dry bags. GPS systems, swivel fishing rod holders, and a repair kit can all be stowed in the kayak mounting bracket. Best of all, paddles, a high-output pump, and a carry bag are included in the bundle. Number 2. Airhead Montana Kayak. An inflatable kayak from Airhead Montana will be a terrific choice for you whether you go camping, explore new locations, or train for competitions. It easily fits in the trunk of your car, a suitcase, and a duffel bag. The 12-feet beast is made of 840D nylon and has a UV water-resistant layer on top that guarantees maximum durability. The kayak has 6 D-rings at the stern and bow to help secure your gear, and the tracking grab handles make it easy to get in and out of the water. When paddling for extended periods, flexible and soft seats are very useful. Additionally, you receive neoprene elbow guards, which is a wonderful addition. In an emergency, the vivid orange exterior makes you more visible and sets you apart from other kayaks. Number 3. Intex Challenger Kayak. The Challenger kayak created by Intex perfectly combines an appealing price with exceptional craftsmanship. This equipment can be seen in dim light thanks to its vivid green hue, which also adds some entertainment value. It is made of UV-resistant vinyl with minimal wear and tear indicators. 2 aluminum paddles and a high-power pump are included for quick kayak inflation and deflation. This implies that no additional purchases are necessary to use the equipment. It can support 400 pounds of weight and is conveniently carried in a backpack. You'll be astonished at how steady it is on the water considering that it is composed of materials that appear to be lightweight. The double welded seams ensure that the Challenger will continue to look brand new for a very long period. Number 4. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. One of the most popular inflatable tandem kayak models available is the Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. It is reasonably priced while still providing a potentially enjoyable recreational kayaking experience. However, you shouldn't count on it to take the place of a good kayak for effective long-distance paddling. However, the Explorer K2 kit comes with everything you need to set up your kayak and is portable and simple to use. You can enjoy recreational kayaking with a safe level of stability and maneuverability provided by it. For someone new to kayaking and looking for a kayak to get them out paddling, the Intex Explorer K2 kayak is a great option. It's also fantastic for families searching for a reasonably priced recreational kayak that each member of the family can utilize. Number 5. Sevylor Coleman Colorado Kayak. Take Sevylor Coleman Colorado inflatable fishing kayak on a ride to visit an old friend. You'll not only catch some of the dinner's primary elements, but you'll also create some priceless memories. Colorado Y. One of the most durable fishing boats available thanks to 1000D tarpaulin and 840D nylon. The kayak is strong enough to keep you riding even if one of the air chambers develops a hole thanks to the combination of hard materials. Additionally, the boat has comfortable mesh storage and movable seating. When you have a gut feeling that the fish is getting close to the hook, the Berkeley Quickset rod holders let you change the angle of your pole. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.